I'm add it up, I just ate a plate for breakfast. Put it in a cup, then I mix it up with Texas. Chest feeling heavy like a midget on my neck.
So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I finesse my eyebrows. And I'm going to just list the products that I use down below. So first, I'm just brushing up my eyebrows. And I'm going to use my Dip Brow brow palette. I forgot what it's called, but first I'm just gonna line the bottom of my eyebrows, and that's what they look like so far. And then I'm going to line the top of my eyebrows, and I always do my eyebrows like this. This is my little method of getting them this natural and just looking mad juicy, you know. And I wanted to do a updated eyebrow tutorial because the way how I do my eyebrows now from a few months ago, it was terrible. I used to put product in the front of my eyebrows and it looked horrible, and now I stopped doing that and they just look so much more natural. So when you're doing your eyebrows, you want everything to look as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna keep brushing them, especially in the front, so they can just look as natural as possible and faded. Like, you just want them to look natural but look IG professional, like model professional, like just juicy looking sexy eyebrows. And then next, I'm just gonna fill them in and just make sure that they look good, make sure there's no bald spots, you know. So my right eyebrow, which is this right now, it always turns out to look better than the left. And I wanted to show you guys how I do both of my eyebrows because I do them differently. So with my left eyebrow, it's kind of a sad eyebrow compared to my right. So for this one, I'm just gonna line the bottom as usual, but I'm gonna go down a little bit because my left eyebrow is a little bit more straight than the next one. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just a little bit harder to deal with sometimes. So yeah, I just wanted to get this on camera because I don't see other people filming their second eyebrow, and your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, they're never the same. So I just wanted to put this on screen. And you know, if you want your eyebrows to travel, you gotta brush them up so they can look good for any trip that they wanna go on, you know? Like, what if they wanted to go to Dubai? You gotta make them look sexy. So you just gotta brush them up and keep filling them in, filling the sparse areas, you know? Make your eyebrow look as sexy as possible, no matter what shape, size. Your eyebrow matters, or eyebrows. He does. I use matte affordable makeup, so I'm gonna use my LA Pro concealer, and I'm just going to put that on the bottom of my eyebrows, but not directly underneath it, because I just want my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, yeah. So we're at that clip. So I'm gonna use my favorite concealer brush. This is from Ruby Kisses, I believe. And I'm just going to line the bottom of my eyebrows so they can look a little bit more neat. And it just cleans up any mistakes that you did throughout forming your eyebrows, you know. And yeah, it just makes everything look better. So I know this part with the concealer is very hard for some people. So my little tip on how I learned how to do this is put my hand on something so I can steady my hand and then do the concealer. And then after a while, I just learned how to do this perfectly. So if you have a problem, like if you have shaky hands, just steady your hands on something, and I hope that works out. And another thing that I do with my eyebrows is that I do not put concealer on top of my eyebrows because it gives flashback. It gives you flashback, and that's not cute. So I only clean up my eyebrows with foundation. I did not show that in this video, but you get the gist. Just line your top eyebrows just the same as you would do with concealer. And then when I'm done like blending out majority of the concealer with my concealer brush, I'm just gonna use my fingers and just make it a little bit more smoother so that when I set it, there's no creasage, you know. Is that a word, creasage? I don't know. But yeah, and don't mind my crusty nails, I know. But I was lazy, I didn't feel like fixing them, so don't get me. So yeah. Then I'm going to use my e.l.f. powder and set my eyelids because I do use my concealer to prime my eyelids also when I'm doing my makeup. So if you don't like doing that, you can just do the concealer and then use your primer, your eye primer, whatever you use. And yeah, that is like the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you like more videos like this, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me. You know, because I'm the shit. I'm just kidding. I'm not, but it would make me so happy if you subscribe. But yeah, peace. Peace out. Peace, peace, peace. Okay.